StarNavi, technical partner for innovators and creators. We're a software development agency working mainly with Python. When it comes to web development, making the mistake of choosing the wrong technology is tremendous. So we would be happy to invite you into the world of Python and its amazing benefits. Python is defined as the combination of remarkable power with very clear syntax. Obviously, simplicity is its first and main advantage. Python focuses on the readability of its code. It should be clean, clear, and concise. Simplicity makes it easy to use, so if you think about learning a programming language, consider Python. Python is one of the most high-level programming languages in the world. That's why it's fully conducive to support machine learning and artificial intelligence technologies. Python performs exceptionally well in scientific and numeric applications and does well with advanced algorithms, which makes it a progressive programming language. Python is highly versatile and flexible, which allows it to be ported to a number of different systems. In addition, it supports a wide range of module integrations, which allows programmers and coders to create more immersive web applications that offer interactive components for the end user to take advantage of. Python also welcomes open source coding, thanks to which developers can borrow code from related software applications to make the development process easier and faster. Python web development is exceptionally flexible because it supports so many frameworks that allow developers to quickly immerse themselves in a project. For instance, some popular Python full-stack frameworks include Django, TurboGears, and Web2Py. They allow you to edit and change the code within each function to tailor it to your specific needs. When you're looking to create a custom web application using Python, you could do it with ease thanks to their seamless enterprise application integration. Don't worry about losing functionality. Adding new components and functions through a wide range of frameworks makes it not stressful at all. As you can see, Python is excellent for creating enterprise applications that are unique to the business or organization creating the custom software application. Hope you enjoyed our video. If you're in search of Python professionals, feel free to reach out to our sales representatives. Follow us on social media and stay tuned.